and families. Today we are going to make, so this is a fan. It helps the helicopter fly up in the air. And we have 2 batteries. We have 1 button and we have 2 pins. So we are going to get started. Let's get started. So first we need 1 battery over here, and then we need a number 2, and next we need a fan, so we put the fan over here. There we go. Now we put the number 2. Next, we need another number 2. Then we have another battery. And then the number 2 is going to make the click sound. And next, we need another number 2 because I just told you we have 4 number 2s. There we go. Next, the button. And then another number 2. And then we have one important part, this nice circle thing, sphere, and then it helps the helicopter fly, and then it will like make a fan. Okay, are you ready to put it? 3, 2, 1. You hear the noise? It makes zzz. It has the nice air. We are going to stop in 3, 2, 1. Click the like button if you like this. Bye. Like and share. Thank you.